Did you know your smart switch could be even smarter by using less energy itself? Today, we are checking a specific feature of the Shelly devices that most users overlook, and it is called Eco Mode. If you want your device to run cooler and consume less power while maintaining full control of your appliances, you need to understand how this setting works. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Eco Mode does to your hardware and how to enable it in seconds using the Shelly Smart Control application. According to the official Shelly knowledge base, Eco Mode is a specialized setting designed to optimize the internal operations of your device. When you toggle this on, the device is configured to consume less energy for its own internal logic and specifically wireless communication. This is particularly important for the 1PM Mini Gen 3 or 1PM Mini, but I currently have 1PM Mini, not 1PM Mini Gen 3. And yeah, that's the red one. Looks like the same, but that's the world's smallest relay switch with power measurement. Because it is so compact, managing heat is vital. Eco Mode helps the device run at lower temperature, which can contribute to the long-term stability of the hardware, especially when installed in tight wall boxes where the airflow is limited, such as this one here. Even this one is a bit bigger, but there are some smaller boxes out there. Okay, here we have some Shelly devices that I used in the previous videos, and I'm gonna show you what we did, and we're gonna configure the Eco Mode on this device here. And right now, yeah, the setting of this is straightforward. You need a Shelly Smart Control app and select your Shelly 1PM Gen 3. I'm gonna show you exactly that. So when you open your smart application, okay, so this is a Shelly Smart app, you go to the device. Here we have this device that we set up the last time. So it's 1 PM here. So I'm gonna just test it. It is powered on. You see, okay. So you have to click here on the device, then navigate to the settings, okay? And inside of the settings, you have this device settings option here. Click on it, and then you will see the Eco Mode here. So you have to click here and see what it says. The device will consume less energy and run at lower temperature. Device will reboot if you disable enabled. So sometimes it reboots, sometimes not, but we can see that now when we toggle this, the Eco Mode is enabled. And now we can see, and we can toggle this device still, and it works as expected. So we don't see any specific things and drawbacks. But the only one thing is here that sometimes you could notice like small delay over the internet when this feature is enabled, because yeah, it consumes less energy and the communications wireless is a bit limited because of that option. But that's like in 300 or 400 milliseconds, so you wouldn't even notice. But we can see here still that the device works as expected, like this, and we are able to toggle it on and off. Okay, so this is this settings here, and I'll just turn it off to save our eyes here. So actually, just let's check how is the device actually behaving when the Eco Mode is active. The primary change is a reduction in the power the Shelly unit itself uses to stay connected to your Wi-Fi, as I already mentioned. So yeah, it needs just less power and the energy for that, and it is connecting occasionally. So you can, yeah, you can go to your settings and enable or disable it. Even after we, it says that it is going to reboot device. Sometimes it doesn't reboot, but if it reboots it, it will go offline maybe for a few seconds, just to be aware of that. So overall, the Shelly 1 Mini Gen 3 or other Shelly devices of the Gen 3, as you can see, I have Gen 3 devices here. They are pegged at 8MB Shelly chip and advanced power metering into tiny frames, and by enabling eco mode, you ensure that this hardware runs as efficiently and cool as possible. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other videos on Gen 3 features and wiring, as we have some about these devices here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more smart home deep dives. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.